Hello children. In previous lessons, we learned about nouns. Also learn what are proper nouns, common nouns, and what are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Today, we will learn a new grammar topic, that is sentences. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that tells you something or asks a question. A sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with an end mark. The end mark may be a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. And a sentence must have a verb. A sentence gives complete sense. For example, look at the picture, children. What do you see here? Yes, it's the picture of a cute baby. Now, if I ask what is the picture showing, do we say baby, sleep, cradle? Is it correct, children? Can we say like this? No, these are just words. We must say the baby is sleeping in the cradle. Now, look at the picture of two girls. What is the picture showing? Girls read book. Can we say like this? No. We must say the girls are reading a book. So, what did we do here? We have started the sentence with a capital letter and ended with a full stop, which are now giving a complete sense. A sentence has two parts, a subject and a predicate. The subject of a sentence is the person or thing spoken about, which is called the noun part. The predicate is what is said about the person or thing, and it is called the verb part. For example, look at this picture. What is there in the picture? Yes, a boy playing cricket. Here, the boy's name is Sam and he is playing. Sam is playing cricket in the park. In the above sentence, we are talking about Sam, so it is the noun part or subject. The remaining part is telling us about what Sam is doing or action done by him, so it is the verb part or predicate. Look at the next picture. What is it showing? Yes, a girl singing. Now, we will write the sentence as Anu is singing a song. In this sentence, we are talking about Anu, so it is the noun part or subject. And the action done by Anu is the verb part or predicate. An answer or statement starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. For example, our teacher teaches poetry very well. The sun shines brightly at noon. These two are the statements which start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. When we want to ask or know about something, we put a question. And a question also starts with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. For example, look at the picture. What do you see here? Yes, some cows grazing. Here we want to know about the cows. So we must put a question with a capital letter and a question mark at the end and ask, where are the cows grazing? Now have a look at the next one. What is this? Yes, it's a picture of train. And I want to know about the train timings. So how should I ask? I must ask, when is the train arriving? And I should write it with a capital letter W and a question mark in the end. So, questions also start with a capital letter and end with a question mark. Now, observe these pictures, children. Look at the first one. How is the child in the picture? He is very happy. Second one. How is the boy here? He is feeling sad. Look at the third one. Is he looking happy? No, he is angry. And what about the fourth one? He is surprised. What are these pictures telling us? They are showing their feelings or expressions. When we show or talk about the feelings or emotions like excitement, happiness, surprise, sadness, or anger, we need to put an exclamation mark at the end of a sentence. For example, when the weather is nice, we say, "What a wonderful weather!" And we need to put an exclamation mark at the end. This is a great surprise. In these sentences, we are expressing our feelings. So, we need to put exclamation mark at the end. So, the sentences that show feelings or expressions should end with an exclamation mark. A comma is a short pause in a sentence. It is used to separate a number of items listed in a sentence. We put "an" before the last item, not a comma. For example, look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? Yes, we see 4 children playing something. We can't write the names just like that. Arun, Anand, Nikhil, Madhav, and so on. We need to put a comma and then write like this. Arun, comma, Anand, comma, Nikhil and Madhav are playing carom and a full stop. Now look at the next picture. What is this picture showing? Oh, there are some animals. Children, can you tell what animals are these? Yes, they are wild animals. And how to write these names now? We should start writing with a capital letter and put comma after each name and put and before the last one. Write the sentence like this. Capital letter in the beginning, deer, comma, zebra, comma, rhino, comma, giraffe and elephant are wild animals. Children, did you observe something here? In this sentences, we did not put comma before the last name. Instead of comma, we separated it with the word and. So, we should write and before the last name or item, not a comma. So, children, today we have learned about sentences. Thank you.